Good morning, Hope class. Tuesday, May the 5th. Do you know what today is? That's right, it's Cinco de Mayo. In the United States, it just gives us another great opportunity to celebrate. I looked up what Cinco de Mayo is all about, and maybe you knew this. I didn't. It was the Mexican military victory in 1862 over the French forces of Napoleon. And that's why we celebrate Cinco de Mayo Day. And I'm ready to celebrate after being weeks and weeks and weeks in this room right here and in this social isolation. I'm ready to celebrate just about anything. But as I started thinking about celebrating Cinco de Mayo, I started thinking about you. And I want to celebrate you. Congratulations on a job well done this year. As far as our Hope class, tomorrow, May 6th, it's the last day. Your assignments this week is to complete the week's workouts. We want to try to work out 2 to 3 times this week. You also need to go back and review in Fact/RenWeb any missing assignments and get those sent to me, and then that's it. You're done. Your class is over for Hope, and it's time for you to celebrate. And I want to thank you for a terrific year. Your freshman class is a special one. Listen, I've been around a while. You have a special class, and quite frankly, you give me great optimism about the future. You can be that can-do class for SFCA, and I hope you will embrace that challenge and take the opportunity to seize the moment. It's your moment. You can be a fantastic class for this school, and you can certainly lead it down a path that we need to be led down. You're the class that can do it. So I just want to say congratulations on a great year. Finish your workouts. Take a quick look at RenWeb or Facts. See if you're missing any assignments. Get those into me, and then we're basically done. I want to encourage you to finish strong these last couple weeks in your other classes. Meanwhile, I am here for you. So if you need me, it would be my honor and pleasure to try to assist you any way I can. And I want to wish you a wonderful, wonderful, happy, and fun summer. It's hard to believe it's here already. And that's really all I have for you. I will have one video for you tomorrow on our last day just to say goodbye. So I'm here for you. If you need me, just give me a shout.